A little bit, look. There you go. Now let's see. That's too much. Where's the napkin? What?
I get this one.
Now look, you want to put it?
Yeah. I'm looking for a napkin. Hey, where's another bowl?
Good job. You want to put this on now?
Yeah.
Let's put a little bit. Look, you want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hand on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm sticky now. Sticky now.
Yeah, and you putting macaroni?
Yeah.
For what letter?
C.
What letter is that? M. That's an M. Look, come on, let's put some more. And look, let's put this one. What color is that? Is that a red macaroni or a blue macaroni?